Hello, this is Mrs. Jennifer from the York Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make bread in a bag. Bread in a bag kits are available for pickup at the York Public Library in York, South Carolina. But the recipe for this simple bread recipe can be found in the description of this video. You will use a gallon-sized Ziploc bag to mix the ingredients in, but I do suggest you place the bag in a large bowl to prevent the bag from tipping over before it can be sealed. You're going to start by adding 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 ounce packet of rapid rise yeast to the gallon-sized bag. If you picked up a kit, all these ingredients can be found in bag number 1. And you will add 1 cup of warm water to the dry ingredients. Carefully let the air out of the bag, then seal the bag closed. You're going to mix the water and dry ingredients together from the outside of the bag with your hands. Once you have those ingredients mixed well, place the bag back into the bowl, and then you're going to let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After letting the mixture set, you need to add 1 cup of flour and 1½ teaspoons of salt. These ingredients can be found in bag number 2 for those using a kit. You will also add 3 tablespoons of olive or vegetable oil to the mixture. Again, carefully let the air out of the bag and seal the bag. And you're going to mix the ingredients again. Once all of the ingredients have been mixed together, you're going to add 1 cup of flour to the bag. This will be bag number 3 from the kit. You're going to continue to mix the ingredients after making sure the gallon-sized bag is tightly sealed. When you've got all the ingredients mixed together, you're going to use some flour to lightly flour your surface to prevent the dough from sticking. You'll also want to put some flour on your hands to help as well. Remove the dough from the bag and knead the dough for 10 minutes on the floured surface. You may need to add small amounts of flour to the surface and your hands if the dough is too sticky. Hopefully you had some assistance with that last step, but after 10 minutes of kneading your dough, you're going to form it into a loaf shape. Cover the dough with a warm, damp hand towel and leave the dough to rest and rise for 30 minutes. You'll want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees while the dough rests. After 30 minutes, you're going to see that your dough has definitely gotten bigger. You'll want to now place it into a greased bread pan and bake it in your 375 degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. When the loaf is done, you can thump the bottom with your thumb. It will sound like a drum. Allow the loaf to cool for a few minutes before serving and enjoying.